Hi guys, my name's Andrea.
And my name is Denisa.
And welcome to our channel.
So today we're going to be talking about how we do our wing liner, and we're going to show you some tips and tricks on how we achieve our liner and what we think makes it easier to get that perfect cat eye look.
And we both have a little bit of different techniques, so we kind of walk you guys step by step on how to get that look.
So if you're interested in seeing on how we create perfect wing liner, then stay tuned, keep watching.
First, I draw a straight line from my outer corner towards the tail of my eyebrow. The length of the wing is up to you. Then, I drag the liner from the tip to the middle of the eyelid and begin to fill in the outline. Winged eyeliner can give your eyes a more awake and lifted appearance, so it's important that your first line is slanted upward. You may have to go back in and sharpen and define the tip of your wing, as I'm doing here. Now I'm outlining the inner half of my eyelid and connecting it to the wing that I've created. After I've done that step, I just go back in and smooth out the lines so everything looks seamless.
Initially, I use a felt tip eyeliner to outline the shape of what I want my wing to look like. I find that doing this prevents me from making mistakes. It's kind of like coloring, and you want to stay within the lines. Once I do that, I use our favorite Sephora eyeliner to trace over the outline I previously created. Also, I make sure to fill in sparse areas and create clean lines. In this clip, you can see that the eyeliner is smudged in the outer corner, and so when this happens, I use a tiny concealer brush to clean it up and make it appear more sharp.
So those were our tips and tricks on how to create an easy wing liner.
We hope that helps you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!
Hi everyone, my name's Andrea and welcome to our channel.
What? You don't want to introduce me?
Helpful in showing you that and showing how
we do our. I hope that video was helpful. I hope that video was helpful to you. No, I hope that video was helpful on how to create the perfect cat. No, I hope our. I don't know.
I hope our video was helpful. I hope our video.
So those were our tips on creating an easy wing liner. We hope this video helps you create. What the fuck? That's not what you're supposed to do.
Why?